Hi. Recently we visited Ikea once again. We had gone to buy a product which we wanted for the household, but as always we ended up buying some other products too, either because of the pricing or because the product was very interesting and we felt that it will be useful in our household. And I'm going to show one such product which we got for our household, that is the Adde chair. Cute little chair, and just at a cost of 600. I'm going to open this and assemble it. And incidentally, this is made in India. This is the backrest and the seat. This is grey color. You get in different colors: red, black, white. We took the grey one to match our no parp and Ectorp sofa, which I've already shown earlier. So I placed all the parts here. That's all. These are the parts, and you just need a screwdriver and a spanner for this, which will be required, and other things. These are the things which I have laid down here, and the steps are given how to follow. So I placed it like this, the two sides, and these are the two rods on which the seat is going to be kept, one longer and one shorter. So there is this hexagon has to come on the top, the longer one in the front, and again this hexagon on the top. I lift this and place it on top. So the chair is ready without the seat and the backrest. Now that I've placed the backrest, it has to be tightened with a screw so that it doesn't come off. You can see this fixer's screwdriver kit is so helpful. I've shown about this in my haul video. And now I've got only these 4 caps for this nut. You can cover this nut with these caps. So now the chair is almost ready. So this is the seat. You can see there are 2 clamp kind of thing which you can latch it onto this rod, front rod. You will hear a click sound. First you place that. See, you can see this clamped here. They are given a special instruction which says that once in a while you have to remove this cap and tighten the nuts. So this is the completed assembled Adde chair, grey color. This, you can see this design with these circles. It's quite appealing to the eyes, and it can match any decor, and it is very lightweight. As you see, we liked it so much, we got 2 of them. They're so light to lift. It can be carried and used in any part of the household. You can even place them one above the other, and even with 2 it is very light, easy to carry. You may think whether it's sturdy. Of course it's very sturdy because of the steel frame, and even the backrest is very comfortable. So you can use it with cushion or without cushion also, it's quite comfortable. I thoroughly enjoyed making it, and I'm sure you too enjoyed watching the assembling of the chair. It was very simple to do, and with this kind of manual, which with full illustrations, anybody can do it. I've given the dimensions and other details in the description below, so please leave your comment as to how you liked watching the video, and thanks once again for watching and supporting me.